How to find yourself? For me, finding to myself, it means to find a love, find God, become happy. It means find myself. And how can I find myself? I see first of all which actually I think that I can find myself if I will do the things what I want, like some project. I think to myself now, if when I become like a Joe Dispenza, when I will organize the retreats, some seminars all the world, when I will have a lot of membership in YouTube, when I will have these things, I will be happy. And I will find myself. I will realize myself in 100%. It's first things which come to my brain, but I have noticed that I have realized before the different my achievement, my goals, which I think before will make me absolutely happy, which I will wholeness, but these things doesn't change. It means outside achievement couldn't make me wholeness, absolutely wholeness. It doesn't mean that these things need to myself, it's important too, but it's like the only 15% of all from my happiness, from being myself. And how can I find myself? It means I lose myself. If I ask me how can I find myself, this question means I lose myself. I don't have connection with myself. I don't see myself and don't feel myself. These questions, and I see that, guys, I don't have some relationship with myself. It's like I don't like me like I can, how I can like, for example, that's the way actually I can deeper, really deep and unconditionally accept and love my children, and but why I can see what because I don't have this type of unconditionally love to myself too. I don't have some unconditionally love emotion to myself. And how I used to live, I can accept and love myself only for achievement, for some result, for good marks in school, for red education diploma from university, for good, for first place in some Olympiad games, for some. I can accept myself. How could accept how accepted it my family, my mom, only for something, for some reason, and I keep using these patterns again and again. I just can accept and love, not the truth love, but feel me, not bad, worse when I compare myself with others. I can love only for some reason myself. I see these things, guys, and that's why I think what some new achievement can give me some love energy from myself to me. I can love me for achievement. I can love me for result, for bigger money, for more money, for bigger result, for more kilometers which I can run, for more children, for bigger house, for more expensive car. I can love myself again and again only. And what I have now, I don't value it, because I don't know, I have this addiction to achieve, to have, not to, because I can be lovable only for some new achievement. Even only new achievement. Old achievement doesn't matter, guys. What I achieved before, it doesn't matter. I can only love to myself a new achievement. Only new achievement. Like new t-shirt, old t-shirt, old achievement, underestimated. I underestimate. And new achievement overestimate. And what do you mean? What am I mean? What do I mean when I talk? How can I find myself? Because I think if I find myself, I live happy. When I ask how can I find myself, like I lose myself, I'm here. How can I lose myself? I build wrong believing system, marker system, accepting system about myself, for building wrong mindset, for building wrong attitude to myself. I don't feel my person. I don't feel me, don't feel my person. I don't act with love to myself, and I can only buy something to show others what I am value, something to have good markers in our people opinion, what I deserve in this life too. And I don't have some inside me marker system to see how much I value to myself, what I am, some friends to myself, how I can support. I don't have this system anyway. Absolutely, I mean, absolutely. I have not absolutely some this type of acceptable value. My systems. That's why I almost think that I need to something else outside, which can make me happier, new person, relationship, girl, woman, children. It means my children. More children. It means something new, maybe new person can bring happiness. I used to live now. I used to live like that and be addictive from hours each time, believing that somebody can make me happier, not myself. I don't believe that I can do my person happy. I can't believe that I am the person who value to be listen him, myself. Oh, it's hard remission, hard position, guys. That's why I and majority and you maybe too think that you need to find yourself in some relationship, in some project, in some car. Like these things will make you happier. I started think it with, because I feel with it doesn't work absolutely. We need it to live comfortable, to make money, bring food to our family. It's really important, guys. I am ready to any job when I have responsibilities, if I have responsibilities to bring food to my family, for children and women who are addicted from me, who are protected from me.